Well, it's Wednesday. It's about 7:35 or so. It's about 87 degrees outside, so I thought I'd do a little work on the Green Goddess's center stand, try to figure out what's happening here. I got underneath and took a look, and these bolts are not original. That's a grade 8 bolt over there, and that's a 5 over here, and neither one of them is right. I think they're supposed to be stepped bolts in each position. So I'm going to take those out and see what they are, and then I'm going to look through all the nuts and bolts that were supplied with the bike and see if I can come up with a set, and if not, I'll order a set. I will also scrape away, grind away some of the plastic coat paint, which I don't like. I really do not like whatever it's called, the plastic painting. I just, I just don't like it. Never have liked it. Give me a good coat of black paint by a competent painter rather than this powder coat garbage. I don't like powder coat because that ain't right. Okay, so there's nothing right about it. So I'm gonna take those bolts out and take a look and see what's happening. Now, in the meantime, the yellow bike sits over here. We've given up. We've declared surrender. I'm not going to try to make this speedometer work anymore. We're sending it back to Smith's and asking them for the client's money back. I'll let him handle that. I've given up. I've tried every variation on a theme that I can try to wire it and make it work. All it'll do is initiate, but it won't do any speed. It won't go into setup mode. And I keep asking questions about the wiring. I've got 4 different wiring diagrams that were published by the manufacturer of the speedometer and by the manufacturer of the cable, of which there are 2 different manufacturers, and I just flat give up. Now, if anybody watching this video has ever installed one of these Smith digital electronic speedometers successfully, please contact me, because I'd love to see the wiring diagram you may have made when you did it, or talk to you through emails about how you got yours to work successfully. I actually have installed 2 in the past, one on a positive ground system and one on a negative ground system, and they both worked perfectly. And this one and its predecessor, because this is the second one we've tried, just flat won't, even using the same wiring that I used successfully before. So we give up. We're going to send it back and look for a mechanical speedometer with a mechanical cable and just give up on this stuff. Anyway, that's where we are. If you've installed one successfully, please let us know. I'd love to know more about how you accomplished the feat. Other than that, I've got an empty shop. I've been having a lot of trouble with my left heel, really sore. Finally came to the conclusion it's from working on a cement surface for oh so many years, and I bought these beautiful mats. These are 3/8 inch thick foam rubber mats with a hard rubber surface, textured. That's 4 mats put together, 3 feet wide, 5 feet long, and just sitting next to each other with a slight overlap. And I have already found in just the last couple of days that they are a lot more comfortable to work on than just the thin carpeting that was their predecessor. So we'll see how that goes. Anyway, I'm going to play with this center stand and see what I see. I'll let you know what I find out when I take it apart. All right, I've got the center stand fixed, cleaned all up, new bolts, mounted the spring, goes down nicely, stays down, comes up, snaps up with a good snap. Love a good snap. Snaps are good. way down, all the way up. Okay, that's a great improvement. So, at this point, wow, like I say, it's, what is it? It's 12:30, and I've got this fixed. And it's hot. There's nothing else to do on this particular bike today, so I'm going to go inside and do some research on speedometers for the yellow bike. Let's see what I can find online. Nice rebuilt mechanical speedometer. Unless one of you guys out there watching these videos can come up with a solution for this electronic digital speedometer problem we're having. Anyway, that's where we are. I'm going to call it a day. It's hot. Probably going on, I'm going to guess, 100 degrees or so. On its way to 105, I think, today.